Test your English grammar. Okay, let me solve this question. One of my friends dash gone to France. What will come here? Is it option A or option B? Okay. Here, of my friends is a phrase, right? So one here is a head word. The form of the verb will be determined by head word. Here head word one is singular, so we have to take singular verb. Here has is singular but have is plural, so we have to use has, right? Or one is third person singular. With third person singular we usually use has, right? So one of my friends has gone to France. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.